Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Ananda Natania Hanny Tanjung. You can call me Tania. As you know, I'm from 11 Science 2. So today, I would like to give you my presentation about how to make Dalgona candy or the steps to make Dalgona candy. Stay tuned. So if you don't really familiar or you don't really know what Dalgona candy look like, it should be look like this. So what is Dalgona candy? So Dalgona candy is a popular street food from the 1960s and 1970s that's been brought to an international attention with Netflix's new Korean drama Squid Game. You must know Squid Game, right? Dalgona candy, as known as popki, is a sweet but nutty candy that you guys will love to snack on. Then, if you really want to learn how to make Dalgona candy, this sugar candy recipe comes together quickly and easily with only 2 simple ingredients that you will need. I'm gonna teach you how to make Dalgona candy with everyday kitchen tools instead of requiring candy making kit, so it's gonna be really easy to make. Let's just get right into it. Now I'm gonna tell you the ingredients and tools or the materials. You will need a baking powder or baking soda, but I recommend a baking powder because it's stronger. Next, you will need a bowl, a metal ladle, a sugar. You can use either brown sugar or white sugar. And now a cookie cutter or something that can cut your candy later, and a chopstick. And now it's time for the steps. First, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to a metal ladle, then place directly over medium heat. I don't understand. You said you never leave. You told me that you'd be there, but you're lying. Second, stir constantly with a wooden chopstick until the sugar is melted and a light amber color. You're always on my mind, and when it's late at night, I think of what you're doing. Do you think of me sometimes? And when I'm feeling down. Next, remove the ladle from the heat, just a little, and add a pinch of baking soda and mix vigorously until incorporated. Emotions keep coming out, I'm trying to let you go. So if you wanna talk to me again, don't try to act like we were always friends. And now, you can pour the mixture onto parchment paper or something that you can use as a base for laying your cookie with. I use a cooking mat or a silicone mat here. Use a lightly oiled measuring cup or bowl to press the candy into a thin, even layer a bit less than 1/4 inch. Actually, I'm kinda sad here because I failed my candy, but it's totally okay, my mom said. And lastly, press a shape in with your cookie cutter or something that can cut your candy, and I use a bottle cap here for the round shape. And repeat for the remaining portion of candy. Here it is, our Dalgona candy is done. I know it's failed, but I'm kind of proud of myself because I actually made this Dalgona candy by myself. I'm so proud. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm really sorry if I made any mistakes, and I'm really sorry too that I failed my Dalgona candy, but it's quite an experience for me. So, thank you. Bye.